Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on this really easy, quick dog birthday crown. The pattern will be linked down below. You're going to be receiving two files. The first file has the pattern info with the printing settings, how to tape and assemble the pattern, and I also attached a little birthday number on there. And then the second file, I made it separately because we do need to quickly test out the printing settings on this because you don't want the crown to be distorted anyway. So go ahead and grab your measuring tape because we're going to be testing out the test square. It's a little pink 2x2 inch square in the corner. So we're going to measure it, and you just have to double check that it's 2x2. And if it is, then we're good to go and you can start assembling the pattern. And another thing that's on the pattern is I have a dotted border along with every page has a number and letter. That way you know how to tape it together. And so here it is. I have page A1 and then page A2, and we're going to tape them right in the middle on the dotted line. Before we get started, I wanted to quickly let you guys know that this pattern, we're going to be cutting 2 out of felt. Basically, it doesn't have no seam allowance. We're going to be top stitching both pieces together. I did it this way just to make this crown super easy and fast for you guys. Also, there's really cute felt print, just letting you guys know. I know Joann's doesn't exist anymore, so you can go to Hobby Lobby, Walmart. You can also shop online and you'll find some really cute prints. Anyways, so yeah, in case you do want to work with other fabrics like cotton, you will have to add seam allowance all around the crown, that way when you're sewing it, you can flip it to the right side, right? You will need that seam allowance. Anyways, okay, let's get started. Go ahead and cut 2 out of the crown and just 1 out of the number that you're going to be using. And we're going to be sewing the number in the middle of the front of the crown. You can also, again, because we are using felt, you can just hot glue it if you want to. I'm gonna just sew it with my machine. You can also hand stitch it as well. So yeah, let me do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so now let's move on to the elastic. For this part, go ahead and measure the elastic around your dog. That way it's not too loose or too tight. And then we're going to pin it onto our crown. In the crown pattern, have these little circles. That's basically like the elastic placement. So transfer those onto your crown. And we're going to pin and stitch that in place before we sew everything together. And now we're ready to sew both pieces together. So I'm going to place it on top. So basically the elastic is in between both pieces and we're going to top stitch all around the crown. Last thing we're going to do is close the crown by overlapping it a little bit, basically matching the corner right there, corner to corner. And you can either sew it by hand if you want to, or you can just simply hot glue it. Again, we are working with felt, so it's easy to hot glue that. And this is what the crown looks like. Yay! Okay, another thing I'm going to do is add some pom-poms on the tips. I thought it would be more fun. And so I'm going to quickly do that. You don't have to, it's optional. You're welcome to get a little bit more creative and add other embellishments to the crown. But yeah, after that, we're pretty much done. Here is the birthday crown. So cute. So again, I will link the pattern down below. It's 4 sizes. I tried to make it for the smallest dog to like medium sized dog. And yeah, really happy with how this turned out. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.